Have you ever been curious about what wilderness medicine is? Do you get a little education from your employer and want to do something different? Wilderness medicine classes are pretty cool. They have a wide range of curriculum and scope of classes depending upon who you are, where you practice, and what you're looking for. If you have little to no medical experience, no certifications or licensures, and you typically stay pretty close to the front country on your adventures, maybe going out for day hikes, day mountain biking trips, or maybe a weekend backpacking or kayaking adventure, then you're probably well poised to take a wilderness first aid class. It's 2 or 3 days in length, depending upon some of the different factors and from whom you get the class. At the end of the 2-day class, it will leave you feeling confident for assessing injuries and illnesses in the backcountry and making important decisions on how to evacuate someone, as well as a little bit of improvisation with the idea that you'll have limited supplies, pieces of equipment with you on your 2-day adventure. If you're often finding yourself wanting to go on bigger adventures, like through hiking or traveling international, or you work in the outdoor industry as a guide, like a mountain guide, outdoor education, trip leader, forest ranger, park service employee, any of those kind of things, then probably a longer class like the Wilderness First Responder is for you. The Wilderness First Responder course is an 80-hour class. Some programs will do it hybrid, online, and in person. As you can imagine, the curriculum dives deeper into more illnesses, more injuries, more complex management and evacuation decision making. It's an excellent class. Next in line, if you're already an EMT or above, you can take a wilderness medicine upgrade class or wilderness advanced lifesaver class or something similar depending upon the company from whom you take it. These classes often offer CEUs for paramedics, nurses, and even physicians, PAs, and Ps. You can also take a wilderness EMT class all at once in 30 days in location in different places and get all of it at once. Get your urban EMT certificate and your wilderness EMT add-on, which is essentially the content that's given in the Wilderness First Responder class. And if you've already done all of these things, you can join the Wilderness Medical Society, which is the professional organization that oversees the advancing science in wilderness medicine, and you can become a fellow in the Academy of Wilderness Medicine, which I've done, and you can also do some other advanced certificates that they offer. I've been teaching wilderness medicine classes for over 20 years with Knowles, so I clearly really appreciate their curriculum and how they teach and what they offer, and they've got it really well dialed. However, I've also been a student at the Wilderness Medical Associates, taking my first Wilderness First Responder there, and also my Wilderness Advanced Life Support class from them, and they're outstanding. There are also so many other organizations all over the country that offer similarly formatted classes and a fairly standardized curriculum now. And like I said, a lot of these advanced classes, if you're a nurse, medic, EMT, you can use these classes. They'll issue you CEs that you can put in for recertifying your license.